Welcome, my friend. My name is Chris, and today I'll guide you through a simple, beginner-friendly breathwork practice to help you feel calmer, clearer, and more grounded in just a few minutes. You don't need any experience at all, just a willingness to slow down and be here with yourself. So let your body relax wherever you are, seated or lying down. Both are perfect. Now take a gentle inhale through the nose and a soft exhale through the mouth. Let your shoulders rise up to your ears and then melt down your back, opening the chest. There's nowhere else you need to be right now. Let this be your reset. Let's start round one with a simple breath, inhaling through your nose for 4 and exhaling through your mouth for 4. This is an easy way to calm your body and settle your mind. Let's begin together. Here we go. In, out, in, out, in, out. That's it. Keep it going. Let the inhale cool and steady you, and let the exhale soften everything you've been holding. Feel the exhale melt any tension from your jaw, your chest, your belly. Breathe as if you're clearing the inside of the body, gently, one breath at a time. We're going to move into our first breath hold now. We'll take a deep inhale, filling all the way up, and hold for just a few moments. No strain, just stillness. Here we go. We'll take a deep breath in, filling all the way up, and hold. Notice the quiet that appears when everything stops. We'll take a recovery breath in 3, 2, 1. Let it all out. Beautiful. For our next round, we'll use a gentle 2-part breath, taking one inhale through the mouth down to the bottom of the belly, a second inhale into the chest, and then exhale out the mouth, keeping it soft and easy. Here we go. In, out, in, out, belly, chest, out, belly, chest, out, in, out, in, out. That's it. Keep it going. Think of this as a gentle clearing from the inside out. Listen to your body and let the breath move wherever it wants to go. Releasing on the exhale anything you no longer need. We're going to move into another breath hold now. This time we're going to blow out all our air till we are completely empty, and then we'll hold on empty. Take a deep breath in through the mouth, filling all the way up. Now let all your air out, every last drop, blow it out till you're completely empty, then hold. We'll take a recovery breath in 3, 2, 1. Big breath in, filling up. Now let it all out. Nice. Now for our third and final round, we're going to slow things down even more. Inhaling through your nose for 4, and then exhaling through your nose for 8. The long exhale is what tells your whole system that it's safe to relax. Together, let's begin. In, out. In, out. In, out. Return to your natural breath now. No counting, no control, just ease. Notice how different your body feels now. Softer, quieter, more spacious inside. Let this calm settle in. A reminder that your breath is always available to reset your mind and energy whenever you need it. Thank you for joining me today, my friend. May you have a beautiful rest of your day.